Hello everyone, I'm Ave Lambert, the Director of Education here at CUESA, and I'm coming to you live from my living room to get you your shelter-in-place nourishment needs and help you see what's at the market seasonally. CUESA runs the Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday farmers market at the Ferry Plaza. We are there for you during this very interesting time. So please dive in with me. I went to the market today to Rojas Farm and picked up all this beautiful citrus. So I'll be making for you a citrus salad. First thing you want to do, start with your pomelo. We can do a little smell-o-vision. We're going to see that? There's so much pith on this guy. I love this salad because it can really feed a family of four for less than $10. You want to take off all this wonderful pith. And you know, Sonia Rojas told me today, you could candy this. This is a great thing to candy. After you've made your salad, make a little candied pomelo peel. So here's your pomelo. You want to take off, just look at that gorgeous, can you see? How's everyone doing out there in TV land? It's a sunny day. I hope everyone's getting to go for a walk. Just going to put this all in the compost over here. So we'll link the recipe, and you'll see that you can take these beautiful little guys out in Supreme, fancy chef term for segments, or you can make some nice little wheels. I think I'll Supreme this up for you just to show you some of my fun tricks. So you're going to get one of those. Into the bowl. Do it again. And repeat. Now, what's the best thing about seasonal citrus fresh off the tree? It is hugely immunoboosting. And with the virus going around, we can all keep our immune systems in tip-top shape by eating all this beautiful citrus. All right, so then you've got your segmented pomelo. Next, we're going to grab a blood orange. So the blood orange, if you're familiar, they can be as beautiful like that. They can be really dark. We're going to go around, and if you see that, check it out. So that is a swoop of your knife all the way around. And I'm feeling fun. I got to go to the market today, but otherwise I've been trapped inside by myself for several days. So I'm going to make wheels. I'm going to go for it. We're going to do some of these nice, thick, substantial wheels. All right, I'm going to put those in with our pomelo. You can also candy any of these peels with a little bit of sugar if you've got some of that in your pantry. We've got these beautiful little mandarinos. These are so cute. Look at that, just go right in half. And these also, if I was going to do it properly, I would go around and it comes right off. This is a nice thin peel. And these segment themselves. People know these commercially as cuties, but these mandarinos can go down super easy. And then you can just divide them into nice little bite-sized wedges. There you go. We're going to add that to our citrus salad. So, citrus salad, you say, how's that different than a fruit salad? Well, It is and it isn't. The way that it isn't is that it's also savory. We're going to be adding some beautiful Cape Gold Picual from my folks, Olive Oil Ranch up in the Cape Valley. Hope you're staying safe, Mom and Dad. Also, good old sea salt and pepper. And a little bit of arugula from Everything Under the Sun. Put that right here on our mise en place. And last but not least, mint or menta. So we're going to pick our mint one little leaf at a time, right? And you just want enough that you can roll it up. And what you're going to do, fancy chef term, chiffonade. Going to roll them all together. See that? You stack them. Stack them up. I'll show you. And then you roll them together like that. And like that. So what you've got are ribbons into your wonderful little bowl over here. What are we missing? I'm going to say more citrus. So grab a lemon, also from Rojas Farm. Oh, don't let me forget, Falling from the Sky mint. That is from Groundswell, Ground Stew Farms. And we got to get our lemon juice on. Another chef trick, upside down squeeze into the bowl. Catch all the seeds. Right into the compost. You've got your mint. Let's see, what are we missing? Oh, last but not least, might be the most important thing you never knew about. It's a cara cara. I mean, just look at that. Got a little mint on there. Taste it. Delicious. See, just because you're trapped at home doesn't mean you can't have fun and nourishing recipes for you and your loved ones. Maybe you live with your grandma, your cousins and uncles. Maybe it's you and your partner, you and your cat or dog, or even just you. I had this for dinner last night. It was fantastic. I'm going to do some Supremes again, little segments, because why not? Make it fancy. Make yourself feel good. And then I've got a beautiful plate for it to land on. I always like to remind myself, where's the food going to land? Find a spot. And what we're going to do here is just have a nice balance of size, textures, flavors. Oh, that reminds me, I better grab my nuts. I did pick up some nuts from Winter's Fruit Tree this morning. Got some nice almonds and pistachios. Those are going to go beautifully on top of this salad. So what we're going to do now, if you can see inside the bowl, give it a nice little toss. Nicely balanced here with the different sizes and shapes with your wheels and your Supremes. So give it a nice drink of olive oil. Got a little bit of juice on my fingers. And a little guzzle. Sea salt. This is where you really bring out the sweetness, acid, and it makes it savory. Don't forget, fresh ground black pepper. Arugula that I have mostly already picked. Let it fall in there. Nice wild arugula. It's got that bitterness. Goes so well with the citrus. There we go. Again, nice little toss. So beautiful. And we've got a plate here. It's always black or white for plating. It makes the best place for things to look like they fell from the sky. So that's how we're doing that. I'll show you a finished photo of this plate when we're all done here. I want to thank you for hanging out with me on this short video today. We will be bringing you all kinds of live educational video while we're here in Shelter in Place. Quesa Farmers Markets are open Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday for your food essentials, pantry items. We got the beans, we got the rice, we got the masa, we got the dried this and that, we got the fruits and the nuts, anything you could need. Dairy, cheeses, pasta, pesto. We want you to take care of yourselves out there. We want you to know that we're a resource for you here. And please send us any requests. I'll be cooking from my home kitchen. Again, my name is Ave Lambert. I'm the Director of Education here at Quesa, and we are here as your resource for neighborhood nourishment. Take care out there.